In the old days, things were a lot gloomier than today. Me and my family used to live in an apartment block when I was about 12 years old. My father was an honest and strict man. He was obsessed with preparing us for the challenges of life. When I felt lonely or misunderstood, the forest was there for me. It was a peaceful place where the problems, so I thought, were far away. I often came to the forest. I didn't like school either. I thought of it more of a mind prison than a place to learn about life. I could sit here for ages, thinking about the world and just listening to the whisper of the wind and the wisdom of the trees. I didn't really feel at home amongst people either. People had no respect. The rich took advantage of the poor. The lies kept them locked away in their miserable lives. Every time I walked the streets, I had the urgent desire to return to the forest. Because the forest was different, there were no problems. One day, I was expelled from school for daydreaming. They sent me to a special school, so I decided not to go back anymore. I didn't tell my father, of course. Anyway, he found out and took me to a specialist. All of a sudden, everything changed. I had ignored these problems for too long. Now they were here to seize me. My will to stand up against life had gone.
I can't believe you built up that many muscles within 2 weeks.
I suddenly became interested in things I had been indifferent to before.
Get the new Electro Muscle Flex now. Only $49.
Lies. Carrier bags. Noise.
Regain your individuality now. Try Probijog, the probiotic yogurt that makes your teeth white and your lips red. Regain your individuality now.
And that was what I was going to do. Of course they caught me. I tried to explain why I had to do this, but they just wouldn't listen. They had locked me away for good.